Hello everybody. Today we are going to explore why would you add a coaching to your business. So coaching in a business environment, as you all know, is a training method in which a more experienced or a skilled person provides advice and guidance intended to help develop that individual's skill or performance or career. In a broader sense, it is a kind of management training. So, coaching should be approached like any other strategic goal. Like successful execution requires commitment from the business and the person being coached, a plan to obtain results, qualified coaches, and a follow up evaluation. So, coaching is frequently used to assist business owners as they prepare for or move into new businesses, improve work habits, adapt to a changing environment, or overcome specific obstacles or improve productivity. Coaches tend to focus on specific areas and measurable outcomes. For example, a business coach helps entrepreneurs expand their business. A life coach helps someone get clarity on their life's goals and work towards achieving them. A health coach works with people who want help with nutrition and fitness. A spiritual coach helps you with your spiritual well being and so on. Specialized niches can also exist within these areas. For example, a life coach can focus on relationships among married couples. A business coach can focus on sales skills, or a wellness coach can focus on smoking cessation. So, a savvy entrepreneur knows that the best investment in your business is your people, and this is where benefits of business coaching comes in. Numerous studies show tremendous return on investment when you invest in your people. If you are the business owner, investing in your people also means investing in yourself. There are many benefits of business coaching, which includes increased profits, higher ROI on marketing, increased sales, greater work life balance, achieve greater productivity, time management, achieve greater levels of confidence, work less and earning more, developing higher level of talent, freedom lifestyle, additional income. So, in addition to helping others, starting a coaching business gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility to decide how you want to live. You have the option to make it an online business and exclusively work from home, or you can meet clients in person at coffee shops or other flex workplaces, or you can keep an office outside your house. You have the freedom to choose your own working hours, schedule, and even the geography of your choosing. You can work from anywhere as long as you can get a Zoom or Skype link. You can virtually see clients anywhere, anytime. Owning your own business frees you from the daily grind and puts you in the driver's seat. So when and how much you work is all up to you. And apart from working directly with clients, the thing to remember is that there is still a business to run. And rest assured, there is plenty to do, from content marketing, content writing, content marketing, scheduling, social media management, bookkeeping. Your calendar will be quite full. So, if you enjoy working with people and helping them reach their goals and potential, a home based coaching business might be for you. You can do individual or group coaching and add an additional income stream. By starting a coaching business, you end up impacting more people, provide more value, and making more money. On many levels, there has never been a better time to start a career as an online coach, provided you have the right marketing and business plan in place, apart from the knowledge or expertise in a particular area. Now comes the most frequent question. Can you really make money as a coach, especially an online coach? The answer is yes. What sets the bigger money makers apart from the lesser are three things: training, expertise, and marketing. Richard Branson rightly said, if you can change people's lives, you have a business. So, if you are ready to explore the benefits of business coaching for yourself or for your business, I invite you to schedule your complimentary 30-minute session. Else, you may join my free VIP group, Marvelous Entrepreneurs, to see more valuable content on starting and growing your own online business and making additional income streams working from home. You may find the link to join in the comments below or in the bio of my profile, or click on the join the group buttons on either on the profile cover or the featured image. So that's all for now. Stay inside, stay marvelous, and stay safe. Thank you for listening.